big box liquidation. So we just had a pallet come in, and this is the solid wood and stained weathered gray 72-inch, and it'll have a 236-inch with a center filler. It's absolutely beautiful. That said, there it is. And so when they ship them, it'll look like that guy right over there. This is one of the 36 inches, so that's going to be one of the left or right for the weather gray 72-inch, because that's a 36-inch. And they're solid wood. Very nice. You'll have slow close on all your drawers. Bingo. Nice. And that. So there's a second video if you want to see what it looks like when they come packaged. I'll show you that pallet as well. But these are very nice and wood, baby. Handles come with it. They're very nice as well. But even this tip out drawer is solid wood. And so when you get them on a pallet, they come packaged like this. We check them, make sure they're good before we take them off the back of the truck. And this will be your center filler here. There's a video here. You can see the excitement when it takes to come off the back of the truck. We've had quite a bit of stuff finished today with all these. This is about 8 pallets of the HDF hardwood. But I'm going to put this on that van right there, and we're going to run it out to Culleoka because they're remodeling the house. But that is the weathered gray from Walnut Ridge. Extremely nice cabinet. I'm Alan, 615-800-1646. Thank you.